Hello, agentpreneurs, and welcome to episode 80 of the Daily List Report. As always, we're trying to bring you something interesting and valuable. If you like this show, please consider subscribing. Click the little bell to be notified of all of the amazing episodes that we have here at the Daily List Report. Today, we've got a video from our very own Director of Customer Growth, Rod Shiva. You've seen him on the show before, and today he's going to show you some tips and tricks on how to do a video walkthrough of a house. Many of you out there have asked us more about how to do better videos, how to edit videos, and we've covered some of these topics in some great shows. We talked about a gimbal. So if you haven't seen our gimbal episode, watch that. It's a very cost-effective device that you can buy right now to make your video quality better. We've also done an episode on an app called Double Take to allow you to record from multiple cameras at the same time. Great tool, free, super easy to use. Watch that as well. I'm going to cut this over to Rod, and he's going to show you exactly how to do an amazing video walkthrough of a property.
Hey guys, it's Rod Shiva, Director of Customer Growth here at ListReports. I wanted to make you guys a quick video over here of a few pro tips when you're making a video walkthrough. Now, the first few tips that I have for you guys is, number one, turn everything in the house on. Any lights, any ceiling fans, fireplace, anything that's going to highlight the home in a positive attribute. The second thing, get rid of distractions. If there's anything on those countertops that shouldn't be there or something that's sticking out of place, you're really going to want to put that away or hide it for your walkthrough when you're recording. The third thing, complement the areas as you're doing your walkthroughs. There's got to be something good that you want to highlight every single in every single space that you've got over there. And as you're complementing things, you're giving people ideas and you're planting little seeds of things that they should like. I have a fourth bonus tip. This isn't for everyone, but if for some reason you guys have a newer cell phone with a wide angle lens, I always recommend setting that wide angle lens on. I'm using a 0.6 lens right now, and what that does is it captures your space a little bit better to give you an idea of what your native, what your eyes see versus a native camera lens. So with that said, let's go ahead and head inside and execute on those tips. All right, here we go. All right, guys, welcome home. Right as we walk in over here, you know, one of the things that is jumping out at me is this flooring. I mean, this is stunning, and it's set at an angle which really is pulling you straight into this beautiful living room. Take a look at this. Look at this place right over here. We've got a crushed glass fireplace over here. Hopefully you can see yourselves on those colder nights hanging out over here. As we take a look over here, you can see that pretty much everything in this house is brand new, dual panes throughout. Anything that you could ever want in a home is brand spanking new over here. Now, I'm not sure if you guys could see how big this space is, so I'm gonna walk all the way over here to the opposite corner so you can see how huge of a space this is. Now, I'm not sure if you guys can already see yourself over here. Obviously you should. But one thing I want to point out is because this is such a huge living room, this is an awesome space for entertaining, having your family members, your friends over here. This is great for large gatherings. All right, let's head over here. You can see on the opposite side of the hall, we've got the kitchen and dining area. As you can see right over here, we have a ton of space to put in a larger table if it's needed. But the main thing that I would like you guys to take a look at is how much natural lighting is coming through over here. It's really warm, it's really inviting over here. And guys, take a look at this kitchen right over here. I am a huge fan of this kitchen. You can see we've got white shaker cabinets, Calcutta quartz countertops, and it's ultra high contrast with black handles and black appliances. If you're not in love, you should be. And guys, there you have it. A few really easy tips to make sure that you're having an effective walkthrough when you're recording a video. 1, turn everything on. You saw the lights are on, the fan's on, the fireplace is on. It makes it more inviting. The second thing, get rid of the distractions that are out there. Anything that's on the countertops that shouldn't be or something that's misplaced needs to be really put away. And the third thing is complement the different areas as you're walking through. Knock out these things each time you're recording a video walkthrough to make it more effective, and I can't wait to see what you guys record. Thanks guys, have a great day.
I hope you enjoyed that short video from Rod Shiva, again, our Director of Customer Growth right here at ListReports, who's also a real estate agent. He's helped actually a lot of us inside the company buy and sell homes. He's been a tremendous asset to this business, and I hope you enjoyed what he showed you there. Make sure that the lighting is good. Turn on all the lights. Complement the rooms. Make sure that you're holding the camera in the right way. I would add, make sure you clean your camera so that the lens is clear. Think about taking advantage of using the gimbal. Think about taking advantage of using an app like Double Take. And I hope this makes you make better videos for the properties that you're touring as increasingly you're starting to share these things virtually or digitally. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, be happy, and we'll see you soon. Bye.